Hi guys, welcome to Nell's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make coconut macaroons. So you're going to need 200 grams of shredded coconut. You'll add it in here, and then I'm going to use 1 can of condensed milk. You'll add it in the bowl, and 2 egg whites. You break the egg, you take off the yellow part, 2 egg whites, you whip it up, then you add it into here. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. That's all in 1 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Okay. So I'll be adding 2 more tablespoons of condensed milk. 1, 2. So you mix this together. As you can see, I didn't add any sugar to it, so because the condensed milk, it is sweet already, so there's no need to add any sugar. You just whip it up together. Make sure everything is combined. You see, this is how it will look. Okay, so this is ready. So what you're going to do, this is my tray I have here. It is all ready to go. My oven, it is set at 325 degrees. So it will be staying on that for 25 minutes in the oven after I put it on. So I'll be making my balls. Put it here. Okay, this is like dry coconut, shredded coconut. I have to put it in it so you can make the ball. If you don't put shredded coconut, it won't bind. So you have to put the coconut to hold it together. And then you make your ball again. This is simple. Anybody could do that at home. Anyone can do it at home and their spare time. Put it like this into balls. Okay, I will add some more shredded coconut because it's you sprinkle your coconut on it in order for it to get the firmness of the ball. Here. Don't forget to add your coconut, see, in order to get make it firm. Place it here. So this is a huge one. Okay. Oh, this is a little bit messy now. Try this way. Okay, it's getting this almost done. I'll put it in my hands, as you can see, because I find it's easier to transfer when I put it in my hand. Okay. Oh, that's a little bit of mess. Oh boy, I should have a bigger container to make the ball all together. Okay, so we'll go with this for now. Sorry about, okay, there's one more space. Let me just finish it with this little bit I have here. Okay, even. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12. So 200 grams of coconut. Depends on how big you make your balls. You'll get like maybe even more than 12 of them. So now once this is ready, I'm just going to take it and pop it in the oven. So I will leave that in the oven for 25 minutes. And once the time, I'll set my oven to 25 minutes. Okay, so now the oven, it's finished. So open the oven. Woo! See this? It's lovely. Where are my mitts? Okay guys, this is the aftermath. Nice and golden. Here you go. This is macaroons. Till next time, hasta la vista. If you like, give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks guys. Bye.